What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7.
How do you wake up? How do you wake up?
My phone alarm wakes me up. My phone alarm wakes me up.
Where is your phone? Where is your phone?
It's beside my bed. It's beside my bed.
Do you get up right away? Do you get up right away?
No, I wait 5 more minutes. No, I wait 5 more minutes.
Why are you still tired? Why are you still tired?
I went to bed late. I went to bed late.
What do you do next? What do you do next?
I sit up and stretch. I sit up and stretch.
Do you make your bed? Do you make your bed?
Yes, I make it every morning. Yes, I make it every morning.
How do you make it? How do you make it?
I straighten the sheets and blanket. I straighten the sheets and blanket.
Where do you go next? Where do you go next?
I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom.
What do you pick up first? What do you pick up first?
I pick up my toothbrush. I pick up my toothbrush.
Where is your toothpaste? Where is your toothpaste?
It's beside the sink. It's beside the sink.
How much toothpaste do you use? How much toothpaste do you use?
I use a small amount. I use a small amount.
How do you brush your teeth? How do you brush your teeth?
I brush them in small circles. I brush them in small circles.
How long do you brush? How long do you brush?
I brush for 2 minutes. I brush for 2 minutes.
What do you do afterward? What do you do afterward?
I rinse my mouth with water. I rinse my mouth with water.
Where do you put your toothbrush? Where do you put your toothbrush?
I put it in the holder. I put it in the holder.
What do you wash next? What do you wash next?
I wash my face next. I wash my face next.
What water do you use? What water do you use?
I use warm water. I use warm water.
How do you dry your face? How do you dry your face?
I pat it with a towel. I pat it with a towel.
Do you take a shower? Do you take a shower?
Yes, I shower every morning. Yes, I shower every morning.
How do you check the water? How do you check the water?
I test it with my hand. I test it with my hand.
What do you wash first? What do you wash first?
I wash my hair first. I wash my hair first.
How much shampoo do you use? How much shampoo do you use?
I use a small amount. I use a small amount.
Where do you put the shampoo? Where do you put the shampoo?
I put it back on the shelf. I put it back on the shelf.
What do you do after showering? What do you do after showering?
I dry myself with a towel. I dry myself with a towel.
Where do you go next? Where do you go next?
I go back to my bedroom. I go back to my bedroom.
What do you need to do? What do you need to do?
I need to get dressed. I need to get dressed.
Where are your clothes? Where are your clothes?
They're in my closet. They're in my closet.
Which shirt do you choose? Which shirt do you choose?
I choose my blue shirt. I choose my blue shirt.
Where are your pants? Where are your pants?
They're hanging in my closet. They're hanging in my closet.
Where do you keep your socks? Where do you keep your socks?
I keep them in a drawer. I keep them in a drawer.
How do you put them on? How do you put them on?
I pull them over my feet. I pull them over my feet.
Which shoes do you wear? Which shoes do you wear?
I wear my black sneakers. I wear my black sneakers.
Are you ready to leave? Are you ready to leave?
Not yet. I need breakfast. Not yet. I need breakfast.
Where do you go now? Where do you go now?
I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen.
What do you make for breakfast? What do you make for breakfast?
I make eggs and toast. I make eggs and toast.
Where do you get the eggs? Where do you get the eggs?
I get them from the fridge. I get them from the fridge.
How many eggs do you cook? How many eggs do you cook?
I usually cook 2 eggs. I usually cook 2 eggs.
How do you cook them? How do you cook them?
I fry them in a pan. I fry them in a pan.
How do you make toast? How do you make toast?
I put bread in the toaster. I put bread in the toaster.
What do you put on it? What do you put on it?
I spread butter on my toast. I spread butter on my toast.
What do you drink with breakfast? What do you drink with breakfast?
I drink a cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee.
Where do you eat breakfast? Where do you eat breakfast?
I eat at the kitchen table. I eat at the kitchen table.
What do you do after breakfast? What do you do after breakfast?
I put my dishes in the sink. I put my dishes in the sink.
What do you grab before leaving? What do you grab before leaving?
I grab my keys and wallet. I grab my keys and wallet.
Where do you keep your keys? Where do you keep your keys?
I keep them by the door. I keep them by the door.
What do you put on outside? What do you put on outside?
I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket.
How do you lock the door? How do you lock the door?
I turn the key in the lock. I turn the key in the lock.
Where do you go after leaving? Where do you go after leaving?
I walk to my car. I walk to my car.
What do you do in the car? What do you do in the car?
I buckle up and start driving. I buckle up and start driving.